Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see what happens when the Add Friend button doesn't appear on Facebook. Sometimes within Facebook, we may find that the Add Friend button on Facebook does not appear, or that ours does not appear for another user. This may occur because I have restricted privacy settings. To verify this, we will do the following. We enter the account menu and then Settings and Privacy. Now we click on Settings. Here we will look for the option of how people find and contact you. Next, we will look at the question of who can send you friend requests, and we will see that we can choose between friends of friends or everyone. If you only have friends of friends, other contacts will not be able to send you friend requests. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.